The Pontiac Solstice GXP, one of the most exciting roadsters ever produced by General Motors during the 2000s, is now hitting the spotlight once again. This time, it's not rolling out of a showroom, but instead crossing the virtual auction block on Cars and Bids, where it is offered at no reserve. For enthusiasts of American sports cars and collectors alike, this could be an opportunity to snag a performance bargain. This particular example is a 2008 Pontiac Solstice GXP, finished in sleek black with a matching black soft top and interior. It's powered by GM's 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 260 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels through a 5-speed manual gearbox. When new, it could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds, making it significantly quicker than the base Solstice. A limited-slip differential and sport-tuned suspension ensured that this roadster offered more than just straight-line speed. It had the handling to match. Like its sibling, the Saturn Sky, also sold in Europe as the Opel GT, the Solstice GXP was built on GM's short-lived Kappa platform. While production numbers were modest, the GXP variant has always stood out as the performance gem of the lineup. Its clean design, low stance, and muscular proportions helped it become an instant modern classic. Of course, this isn't a factory-fresh example. With nearly 94,500 miles on the odometer, it shows the expected wear of a 2-decade-old sports car. The listing notes corrosion on underbody components, scratches and chips on the bodywork, and signs of age inside, such as seat wear, discolored carpets, and a delaminating rearview mirror. However, mechanically, it has received recent attention. The engine mounts, brake pads, and rotors were replaced this month, along with a fresh oil and filter change. That adds reassurance for potential bidders who want a road-ready toy. Importantly, the Solstice retains its originality, with the only modification being aftermarket LED headlight bulbs. Everything else is stock, right down to the 18-inch chrome wheels, leather upholstery, and manual soft-top roof. While it may lack the power-folding roof found on European rivals, its simple, driver-focused character remains one of its biggest charms. The auction listing also confirms a clean Florida title and a Carfax report free of major issues. Currently located in Pompano Beach, Florida, the car comes with 2 keys and a modest $150 documentation fee for the winning bidder. At the time of reporting, the highest bid sat at $4,200, but the reserve price had not yet been met. With 4 days left in the auction, the final hammer price remains to be seen. Considering its rarity, performance credentials, and cult following, this Solstice GXP has the potential to climb much higher before the bidding ends. For collectors who value a driver's car with genuine American spirit, this Solstice GXP represents an opportunity not just to own a piece of Pontiac history, but to experience one of the most underrated sports cars of its era. With its manual transmission, turbocharged punch, and timeless roadster appeal, it's no surprise that the GXP variant has become a sought-after gem in the modern used car market.